South, stay inside the house, sir. Okay. Ooh, there go my damn thing. You know, I got this. This is a struggle studio, for real. It's in my bedroom. I got it set up some kind of way. I'm going to make a studio. I swear, when I finally buy myself a house one day, I'm getting me my own little studio, my own little creative spot where I probably never come out of it. Anyways, it'll have to be connected to my bedroom. I'll never come out. Anyways, in Portland, Oregon, a unique mindfulness class at Wilson High School is helping support. Oh Lord, I'm sorry. I guess y'all didn't hear me. Okay, let's try it again. So mindfulness helps teens cope with stress and anxiety. In Portland, Oregon, a unique mindfulness class at Wilson High School is helping students combat anxiety and depression. I needed that so bad. Under the guidance of teacher Calvary Morgan, students engage in a variety of mindfulness practices, including yoga, meditation, and journaling, 3 times a week for 90 minutes. The goal of the program is to teach students how to focus on the present moments. I need to do that, which can improve their ability to handle stress and negative emotions. While these practices have gained traction across the United States, some critics express concern over their perceived ties to Eastern religions. You're good. I heard all of it. Okay, good. Me personally, I have a homework I still haven't done. I'm supposed to write 5 or 10 things that I like about me. Not what people have said to me, but what I actually like about me. That is hard as hell. It sounds easy, but that shit ain't easy. All right. Despite some pushback, many schools nationwide report positive results from implementing mindfulness programs. For example, Richmond, California has seen a decrease in detentions among at-risk youth, while South Burlington, Vermont has integrated mindfulness in its health curriculum with success. At Wilson High School, students share that the class has significantly improved their ability to cope with stress and anxiety. Principal Brian Chattard acknowledges the intense pressure students face during high school and recognizes the importance of providing them with tools to manage their mental health. Where were you 30 years ago? Calvary Morgan, with her background in Zen Buddhism, aims to create a supportive environment for students to explore their thoughts and feelings. During class, students practice recognizing and addressing negative self-talk, a skill essential for mental well-being. The program also collaborates with pediatric psychologists from Oregon Health and Science University to evaluate its effectiveness. Additionally, at Rosemary Anderson High School, a similar mandatory mindfulness program helps students who have faced various challenges, proving beneficial even to those initially skeptical about its value. Overall, the mindfulness initiatives are filling a critical gap in supporting students' emotional health. Damn it, they need that. I got sent to the STEM student psychologist just for being me and not wanting to be bubbly and, as they say, social, or as I said, a hoe. Just because I wasn't a hoe, they wanted to know why. I wasn't like fat and dumpy. I wasn't goth. I was just strange. I was just eccentric, but I didn't look eccentric. I just looked like a normal, I guess, a girl who should be cheerleader and popular shit. But I already knew them chicks were heifers. In my opinion, they had nasty attitudes, and it wasn't going to be me. So they sent me to the damn psychologist, and she basically said the same thing everybody else said. I got an old soul, and I ain't got time for bullshit. So there you go. Moving on in the health thing, because we're not done. Where's my health one? I hope this button works. We are at war. Oh, that one's right. Okay, I just wrote down the wrong one. God dang it. All right. Does your zip code determine your life expectancy? That kind of got my attention, and I've been wanting to show y'all this. This is a website, blackhealthmatters.com. Real website. I'm so glad I found it. So, the impact of one's zip code on life expectancy is more significant than genetic factors, according to recent findings by the CDC. What kind of damn report is this? Life expectancy disparities persist, especially for Black Americans who have a life expectancy of 72.8 years, which is nearly 5 years shorter than white Americans and over 11 years less than Asian Americans. Bitter melon. If you want that year longevity, bitter melon. I'm telling you. It's a horrible vegetable, but damn it if it doesn't extend their lives. I tried it. You just got to learn how to cook that bitch. Tom's Lynn, that's how it is. Tom's Lynn, president of the Equality Health Foundation, emphasizes the systemic inequalities exacerbated by the pandemic contribute to these disparities. Factors such as education, healthcare, housing, and food access remain unevenly distributed, with structural racism, and disinvestment in communities of color playing crucial roles. The introduction of zip code exam aims to address these disparities by uncovering the non-medical factors influencing health outcomes. This tool is designed not merely to raise awareness, but to facilitate actionable community-driven solutions. What you say? You're good. I heard. Okay. By utilizing hyperlocal data and community input, the zip code exam empowers individuals to reclaim their health narratives. It emphasizes that health is a personal experience shaped by one's environment, making the case for importance of cultural context and local resources in health discussions. The zip code exam serves as a catalyst for change by connecting various aspects of health, mental, physical, and social. With over 200,000 users, it reflects a collective demand for systemic change. For example, in South Phoenix, a neighborhood with a significantly lower life expectancy compared to a more affluent areas. The exam enables residents to advocate for better healthcare access and community resources. Tom's Lynn highlights the importance of trust and community collaboration, ensuring the tool is built for the people it serves. The ultimate goal is to empower communities to enact meaningful change, illustrating that behind every statistic lies a story worth addressing. And that is it for the regular news. Now we are going into our palate cleanser. You are going to really want to see that because that's freaking weird. But before we move on, because I got a video for it too. Before we move on, I'm going to do that little message. It's about 4 minutes. Go get you something to drink. Go relax.